Just arrived in Taitung and checked into this hotel, the Ita Indigenous Cultural Resort. This hotel is in Taitung City, a bit outside the city center. And I'm here for 2 days, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, to take part in an organized tour called the Taitung In-Depth Tourism English Service Guided Tour. And we are going to visit a few places south of Taitung City. There are 4 townships: Taimali, Jin, Fong, Daren and Dawu. So we are going to visit a few places there. Also go to Tuban village, where they have the 5-year festival that takes only place every 5 years and is very interesting. And they have a special activity where they use long bamboo poles, 8-meter longs, I believe, and then they try to catch rattan balls with those poles. And this will be on the second day of this tour. So looking forward to explore a bit of Taitung. It's always great. Good morning from Taitung. Oh, the sun is coming. I'm here in Taitung City. Here's a river. The river is, I don't know the name. I will check it out online later. It's the river north of Taitung City. And I'm here at almost 6 o'clock. And I want to see the sunrise. I thought, it's happening right now over there. I thought the cloud would cover the sun, so let's hurry up and go shoot the sun. This was not a great sunrise. It's almost like the clouds are rising with the sun, so the sun is kept behind the clouds. I love bird songs here in the woods. I just realized you can see Green Island there under the clouds. Cool. Quick look at the flowing lake. This is a long man-made lake here close to the river where I watched the sunrise, and you can see people are swimming, and there's also someone on a rowboat. So this is water sport area, although you're not allowed to swim. Looks like a great place for rowboating. And these guys look like they're training for a triathlon. You can also run around the lake or cycle around the lake. Alright, first stop of our trip. We are at Duoliang. Above is the railway line, and further up is the platform from where you can see the beautiful coast and the railway line. And further up is a sunrise wood workshop we will visit later. And even further up is indigenous community called Longbulo Kalavi. And all of this is in Taimali Township. Beautiful coast, you can see. Weather is great. So this is the spot. From here you can see the trains coming from the south or from the north. Usually you want to wait for the beautiful orange locomotives. They look great with the blue sea background. So this has been turned into quite a tourist site. You have the typical what was originally the train station is now a place where you can buy refreshments. Other than that, there's not much to see here. Yeah, I love Duoliang. So this is the old name, the old sign of the station, Duoliang. Many good things. I don't know the origin of the name. And 2.9 kilometers in this direction is Jinlun, and over there is Longxi. It's probably a very tiny station. The horizon is always a bit darker, so that's I think the Kuroshio stream that brings a lot of fish into this area east of Taiwan. So good fishing grounds. And we are now getting an introduction to the Sunrise Wood Workshop. This is our group, and get to drink some kind of drink they have. I don't know what it is. So they try to introduce the place in English. So they really try to be prepared for foreign visitors.
The landscape of Chalabi is similar to where my ancestors came from. We still found the same way, like our ancestors. Before we enter the community, please try the Shao Ginger Lemon Tea.
It's very refreshing. Bit sour. So this is the main building of the Sunrise Wood Workshop. Not very special, but inside there's a lot of wood. They produce furniture and toys, and you have the chance to do some DIY. I think we are going to do some simple plates, wooden plates. If you want to work on larger projects like furniture or whatever comes to mind, sculptures, you can actually stay here for a few days, few weeks, I don't know. Up in the community they have places where you can stay, and then you can maybe the master craftsman can teach you how to build cool wooden sculptures or wooden furniture. Okay, let's enter the showroom. They have a lot of wooden products you can buy, toys, plates.
We're not going to do our DIY activity now.
Big fish. A lot of different products. You have toys. I don't even know how to play those. Oh no, those are plates you can put on the table. So a lot of things you can buy, small souvenirs. Here are toys that we can play with the wooden blocks. So next up we are doing some DIY. Here we have the DIY studio. So it looks like we are going to do some simple plates made of wood. Alright, everyone gets a piece of wood and a drawing. You can choose what kind of leaf you want, and then you have a pencil, and then you have to draw first the leaf. So after the drawing comes the sawing, and we use hand saws. A lot of cameras here. 1 camera, 2 cameras, 3 cameras, okay, 4 cameras. 5 cameras. This wood smells really good. I don't know what kind of wood it is. The next step is the sanding. We don't do the sanding ourselves, but leave it to the experts. Wow! Beautiful coloration of the Taiwan fir. Okay, next up comes the carving of the wood. You can see the edges are already smooth. So now we carve what the black parts are. Final step, the sandpaper. Let it smooth. Comes the waxing, bee wax. Alright, here we have the end product. It's not a masterpiece, but very close. You can see a tree here, a beautiful, how do you call this, branch thing. And if you look back on the back side, beautiful colors of this Taiwan fir. Nice. Smells nice too.
介绍一下里面有的东西。阿麦应该有吃过吗？好，没有。哦，吃过。阿麦的话，其实它有芋头的，然后有小米的。我们今天帮大家准备是芋头。
Okay, so this is abai and also baiwan. They call it the chinavu. If you see like grains inside that, and they prepared the millet one, and this one is the taro powder one. And you don't have to take the leaves off. This leaf is apple of Peru. It helps the digestion. So if you eat too much sticky rice or millet, you don't have a stomachache. So they use the prickly ash leaves in the dumpling and also the fried eggs. And in Taiwan, they said that fragrance or something that smells good, keeps the evil or bad luck away. So they will plant like flowers or common jasmine orange around in their gardens, and they put like strong aroma leaves or spices in their food. Then it's a common thing that they put prickly ash leaves in fried eggs too when they're at home. So this red little thing in here in the middle is the pickled ginger, but it's like a special version done by the Inas Creative. They added roselle that's planted around here, and so this is actually a common thing that also appears, like we go like ginger with sushi, so they have ginger with like meats and other things. said these fruits are all from local, and the avocado is from the Duoliang farm just kilometers away from here, and these are all planted from there. If we walk into the Twelli tribe, you'll see a lot of people planting these things. This is the roselle yogurt sauce for salad, and this is the avocado yogurt sauce. And these are special sauces for the prickly ash leaves dumplings. They also chopped a bit prickly ash leaves inside and garlic and some chilies in here.
Okay, now let's have lunch in this beautiful setting. We have indigenous fare. This is Jinafu or Abai. I don't know what's in Taiwan language. It's which one? I don't know. That's a typical indigenous food. Taro, sweet potato. No, two types of sweet potato, dumplings, egg with zilzong prickly pear or what? Prickly ash. Prickly ash. And as fruit, for fruit we have dragon fruit, pineapple and avocado. And this is interesting, this is ginger. Looks like sausage. Ginger. And here for drink we have lemon. Forgot. This lemon with roselle.
This one is roselle.
Oh, the other one is roselle. This one is.
I think maybe that's roselle as well, with lemon and honey.
Roselle as well.
Okay, go. 来，一啦，一啦，一啦，一啦，一啦。